Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by charging your Aftershokz headset to at least 10% before pairing. A full charge is preferable for a smooth setup and stable Bluetooth connection. Next, locate the power button on the headset and press, and hold it for 3 seconds to power on. Release when you hear a voice prompt or tone. Watch the LED for a blue-red flashing pattern that signals pairing mode is active. Finally, position your phone within 10 meters and open Bluetooth settings to begin device discovery. With the headset in pairing mode, open Bluetooth settings on your phone and start scanning for devices. Look for a name like Aftershokz or the specific model number in the available devices list. Tap the Aftershokz entry to initiate pairing and confirm any prompts that appear on your phone screen. If a passcode request appears, enter 000 or accept the prompt when offered. Once paired, your phone will show the headset as connected, and a voice prompt will announce the successful connection. If pairing fails, reset the headset by holding the power and volume plus buttons together for 8 seconds. After resetting, repeat the power on and pairing steps while keeping your phone Bluetooth open. For battery care, charge the headset for about 2 hours to reach a full battery and expect up to 6 hours of continuous playback on one charge. For multi-point use, pair a second device but disconnect one device if audio stutters. Keep firmware updated through the Aftershokz app for best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.